Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video we're doing the whisper challenge. So how this works is we wear the headphones and one of us we're gonna play music and one of us gotta say something. We're gonna figure out what the person says. So first word is I'm laughing because I don't know if it's gonna be funny. Okay. But she's vibing. Olive juice.
Olive juice.
So you're hearing me. Are you reading my lips? So you do.
I could barely hear you though. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Why are you hearing me? How you reading getting this so quick?
I'm gonna turn it up.
Okay, turn it up. Yeah, it's on loud all the way up. It's all the way up.
Turn up more. Is it turn up more?
Let's go.
Oh.
She can't hear you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. No, I'm reading your lips. I'm reading your lips.
Yo.
I can't read lips good, but I could.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm done. I'm done. How the hell are you getting all of these?
Whisper it.
No, but the thing is, they're supposed to hear it. You're not supposed to hear it.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay.
Walking down the street.
The ball in your court.
The police got a hold.
No.
Okay.
The ball is in your court.
The police got a hold of.
No.
I don't know what you're saying. So.
Okay. The ball is in your court.
The bus is on hold.
No. You got it wrong. Take it off. The ball is in your court.
Oh,
Pick up your feelings.
my boyfriend left me. Okay.
Pick up your feelings.
Make your boyfriend come be with me.
Pick up your feelings.
Peter finger.
No. Pick up your feelings. That's your song. So how you didn't get it? You're right.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let me change song.
Wait. She loves me now.
Call me when you get home.
She loves me now.
You love me now?
Close. She loves me now.
You wanna have sex with me now?
What? Yo. She
I don't know
loves
why
me.
this is not pausing.
She loves me now.
He loves me now?
She loves me now.
Oh, she loves me. Oh.
Yeah. Rags to riches.
The ride is at the train station.
Rags to riches.
My grandmother's at the train station.
Rags to riches.
I need a ride to the train station.
No.
Okay.
Rags to riches.
It's like all these are song titles.
Yeah, it's song titles.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, if I knew that, I don't want along those lines.
Okay. Is it up? Okay.
It's very loud.
Okay. Balos.
Baho.
No. Balos.
Buckle.
Balos.
Butthurt.
No. One more time.
One more time.
Why you?
Oh, you said oh.
Balos.
Marcus.
No. ball out. No underwear.
I'm not going nowhere.
No underwear.
Don't worry.
No underwear.
You ain't going nowhere.
No underwear.
You don't gotta worry.
No underwear. What's your fantasy?
Sacrifices.
What? What's your fantasy?
Out of money. I don't know.
Well, what's your fantasy?
2050.
What's your fantasy?
You want a Vinci.
What's your fantasy? Yo, I like this because she's not getting these. She was getting them before. Lions, tigers, and bears.
You don't want to know what I think you said.
What's that? What is it?
She like it in her.
No. Lion, tigers, and bears.
She like it for her body.
Lions, tigers, and bears.
She like it like that.
Yo. Lions, tigers, and bears.
Next time we.
Wait, how did she get it right? One more time. Lions, tigers, and bears.
She like her purse.
No. Lions, tigers, and bears.
Where did I get she like it?
I don't know where she come from, girl. Bring it to the owner.
Parents don't like you.
Bring it to the owner.
Play hookah.
Bring it to the owner.
My parents don't like you.
Bring it to the owner.
Bears be smoking hookah.
Yo, what? You
What?
said birds be smoking hookah?
Bears.
Beers?
Yeah.
Bring it to the owner.
Oh my goodness.
What are you hearing? Like, I don't get it.
I'm hearing some next type stuff.
Okay, girl. Badalon.
Butthole.
No. Badalon.
Balloons.
No. Badalon.
I don't know. But a Luna, that's what I'm hearing.
Badalon.
Mine alone.
Close. You're close.
Okay. One man alone. Only one man alone.
Bad alone.
The man alone.
It's her. Do her eyelashes for me.
What is it?
Bad alone.
Oh, bad alone. I keep hearing man.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
That was
Got
easy.
that one.
That was
Got
easy.
that one.
Okay. All right. Intention.
Say it again.
Intention.
Eat and cheat.
No. Intention.
He and she.
Intention.
I don't know.
Intention.
Eat the cheese.
I'll say it one more time.
Oh.
Intentions.
He cheating.
No. Intentions. Popular.
Who?
Popular.
Popular.
Yeah, that was easy. Okay. Twice my age.
Twice a man.
No. Twice my age.
Twice my age.
Damn. Damn. Why you got that one? Okay. Oh. Okay. What one dance can do.
What one dance can do.
You hearing me? Are you hearing me? Like, are you hearing me? You hearing me?
No, I don't hear you. I don't hear. It's the same volume.
I thought you just hear me because how you got those? Huh.
Because I got those.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Heard it all before.
I loved you before.
Heard it all before.
Club on the floor.
Heard it all before.
You hurt me before.
Heard it all before.
Heard before.
Close. Like heard it all before. Heard it all before.
Heard it all.
Heard it.